I got one of the recommendation for one design actually, which is for author that is about to reveal his book, right? So they need splash page showing the event for their book release, right? So what we can do is we can check Lovable for credits, so we have enough, and within the prompt I will have to say build a single landing page for authors release event, have some fictional fantasy title, author name, past sales, and pre-order for current book with form for interest, right? So this is basically just a splash page for such type of book release event, right? So we have to make sure that the book is ready for let's see release within say a month or so. And we can also have, right, we can say down to book launch in a month or so, right? And don't use database or cloud features, use as less credits as possible, right? So basically this will be single landing page for that particular author's release event. Then some fancy fiction title is there, author name, sales, past sales numbers, or numbers, titles, and pre-order for current book with form for interest. Then we have countdown to launch in a month or so. We are not going to make use of any of Lovable's features like this cloud and all, and there would be less credit usage. So we'll pass this and see what we can come up with. We don't have to use the cloud feature, also no need to use Supabase here, as it will take a lot of unnecessary for a single page design, right? We have to also watch the accent colors for this particular design. So we will see what it comes with. Fantasy book launch, pre-order form, no banquet needed, and some specific typography and colors, past bestsellers, live countdown, and interest form. Right, so it is in the build mode. Despite the limited context, it is still going for Next.js build. I thought it will build simple HTML page, but unfortunately it didn't. So we'll have to wait for entire project being done. So my goal is to get this done as low credits as possible, considering this is only 5 credits a day account. Right, we'll have to wait and see how much it will load. Once the work is completed, you can see we have basic design ready, and it will also load the preview. And once it does, I can go full screen and hide this particular sidebar. Right, you can see there's Crimson Eclipse title from the author. You can always edit these changes to reflect the real author and their title. Book is being launched within 30 days. Meanwhile, they can see the past sales of these earlier launch books. You can see the launch date, email, and pretty much single page splash page for this particular book launch event. And also add a few more things like if the author is made to sign the copies, etc. That would be another good features to explore and add into this page. And also the credits used were 1.4, which is, I think, justifiable considering we got decent enough landing page.